Hello everyone. Today let's talk about German numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We can use a technique to remember the numbers between 12 and 20. Every number ends with "10". For example, if 13 is the number, first we write the number 3 in German, then add the number 10 in German. If 21 is the number, the method is same, but there will be a word "und" between "ein" and "20". So 21 is 21, respectively 22, 22, 23, 23, 24 is 24, 25 is 25.